Hello students, today in data structure part 2 we learned operation on data structure. In last video we learned introduction of data structure and what types of data structures are available in Python. So today we learned operation on data structure. So the basic operation that performed on data structure are traversal, insertion, deletion, searching, sorting and merging. Generally all operation on data structure will be performed on a list data type in Python. So first is traversal. Processing of all the data element of list one by one is known as traversal. So if all elements of a list is processed one by one, so it is known as traversal. Second is insertion. Insertion means if you want to add new data element in a particular position, that time we will use insertion. So addition of new data element in data structure is known as insertion. Next is deletion. So if you want to remove any element from list is known as deletion. So removal of data element from a data structure is known as deletion. Next is searching. Searching for the specific element in a data structure is known as searching. So if you want searching any element from a data structure, this process is known as searching. And next is sorting. So arranging data elements of a data structure is known as sorting. So if you want to arrange all data elements in a list either in ascending or descending order, this process is known as sorting. And last option is merging. So combining elements of two similar data structure to form a new data structure of same type is known as data structure. So by the help of merging we can combine more than two lists and create new list. So there are basic 6 operations which can perform in data structure. So today we learned first operation traversal. So like we have a list which has elements 73, 98, 86, 61 and 96 and which are stored on 0th location, 1 location, 2nd and 3rd and 4th. So if we process one by one all elements of a list, this process is known as traversal. So first we add all elements in a list, then we print all elements of list. This process is known as traversal or processing of all data element of list. So for this we will understand by this example. So we open the Python file. So we have Python program. So first we run the program. First we enter 5 elements of a list. So traversal of list, then we print all elements of a list. So first we input the element in a list, then we print the element of all elements of the list. So this process is known as traversal of a list. So our program is first we input all elements into the list by this loop, then we will by the help of second loop we print all elements of a list one by one. So this process is known as traversal of a list. So our second problem is insertion. Insertion, adding of new data element in data structure is known as data structure. So here in this example we have a list which has element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. Then we want to insert on 5th position 50th element. So then list will be 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth position contain 50 and will rest of the continue. So we can insert any element on a particular position. So this process is known as insertion. So we will understand by this example. So here we have a program which want to perform insertion element in a list. So we run the program. First we insert the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we insert 5 element in a list. Then he is saying enter element. Now we want to insert 10 element at which position? So here I say third position. So in this I want to insert 10 at position number 3. So when you press the enter, then output is first, second and third position element third has been inserted and rest of the element 3, 4 and 5. So we can insert all elements, particular element on a particular position. This process is known as insertion of a list. So here we have example program. So today we learned what are the basic operation on a data structure. So generally we have 6 basic operation on a data structure: traversal, insertion, deletion, searching, sorting and merging. Then we understand example of traversal, and then second example is insertion,